How to post long videos on WhatsApp status. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to its latest version. Open up your App Store or Google Play Store, and then in the search bar, you need to go and simply search for WhatsApp. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if any update is available, you can simply tap on update and make sure you update your WhatsApp to its latest version. This new feature allows you to upload longer videos without manually splitting them. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up your WhatsApp application. And just like that, inside here, simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the Updates tab, and just like that, simply tap on this plus button beside Add Status. Now choose a video from your gallery. For example, if your video is 60 seconds, WhatsApp will allow you to upload it without cutting it into 30-second clips, as long as you're on the latest version. That's it. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.